like that girl so much, I wish I never met her.
Now you begging, it's a doozy, but beggars cannot be choosy. Been a queen for 8 summers, just tell them to call me Susie. This that Nikki, this that Uzi, this Hen. Dolly by the Bari, I can admit I likes to party. I spent the grip, I swipes the cardi. When I ice on my drip, my pricey got me. I'm the swami, I feel hip cat. I'm freaky fit that I can rip that. Ice on the wrist like ice a fish jet. When I like with a bitch that spicy, get that.
I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. You a badass bitch. That don't get swallowed in that fat ass bitch. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. You a badass bitch. That don't get swallowed in that fat ass bitch. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do.
Hey yo, P, do that freaky jam on the beat. Busy with that butter shit, that bomb beat. Did you double do that song sing? Flicky with some butter, so that don't sing. If you cheeky cheddar check, I get her own cheese. It's a chicken with that head, or it's a bitch that won't be with the official with that whole skis. Let me see each other, wish that with that long.
I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. You a badass bitch. That don't get swallowed in that fat ass bitch. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you
in the house like nice suburb. Pipes on a pout, might pipe the perp. Peter piping about my pint for sure. I'm the mermaid, rhymes the nurse. I'm Little Red, ride the verse. My shimmy shakes inside the shirt. Should a dyke and a gay guy try to flirt?
I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. You a badass bitch. That don't get swallowed in that fat ass bitch. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. You a badass bitch. That don't get swallowed in that fat ass bitch. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. They shooting in the parking lot. Everybody get low. They shooting in the parking lot. They ain't where you wanna go. Now stand by soldier. And what the motherfucking ass like I told you. Stand by soldier.
Hey beauties, so I'm back with another video. This is going to be all about this unit that I'm currently rocking. This is a curly lace front unit from a company that goes by Eva or Evawigs. I'm not sure of the way you pronounce it, but this is the company logo here. So they sent me this unit, and this is a Zendaya inspired curly unit. It came via, I think it was FedEx or UPS or one of the others. So I got a couple free gifts inside my package. I got a 2-pack of wig caps. I got some bobby pins. I got a little custom card that gives you a little bit of the product information. It says exclusive to, it has my name, product information, 100% human hair. It has the SKU, the color, which is natural black, and the length that is 20 inches. I also got a rat tail comb and a user manual. This once again is the company logo. It has some information in there about like the return policy and how to care for your hair. You can select the length of your choice along with the cap size and along with the color of your lace. So like I stated before, this is 20 inches. The cap size is medium, average medium, and the color is a medium brown. So I did bleach the knots on this unit. The knots did not come bleached. It did not take long to bleach the knots. It took about 15 to 20 minutes. I could have left it a little longer, but I do plan on bleaching this hair overall. That's all I really did. I co-washed the hair after I shampooed out the bleach and I let it air dry. The color is in its natural color, which is the natural black, and this is the natural wave pattern. All I've done to it is added some water after styling it. The hairline, I want to say, is pre-plucked to a minimum. I did go in and pluck a little bit more hairs, pull some hairs out, cut some down. So if you're the type of person that's not comfortable doing that, they do provide you with a little bit of customization, but I do suggest going in and customizing it a little bit more. The hair is really soft. I do love the density of this unit. It's pretty full. The curls are like, from root to tip, the curls are in the same pattern. So it's none of this is flat, this is curly, it's curly straight throughout. This is how the hair looks pulled back. And the unit does come with 3 comb clips in the front, 1 in the back, and it has adjustable straps. So it is very comfortable. For the unit to have 3 clips in the front, it's not digging into my scalp, which was like a big issue with another unit that I tried, but I do love how comfortable it is. This hair is a decent price. I will link all that information here, but the hair is priced very reasonably for the quality. So definitely check out this company. I will leave all their information down below. If you have any questions or comments, or if there's anything that you want to see me do with this hair, drop that in the comment section. But that's about it. I want to thank you guys for watching, and until next time, I'm here today with another video. This is going to be all about this synthetic unit that I am rocking. This is a synthetic lace front unit. I received this unit from a company that goes by the name of Fusi. I want to say Fusi, like fuchsia, but Fusi. So the company goes by the name of Fusi.